morning to all. I am Dia from BCA Today I am here to present my current project with my team member Hussein Khan. Firstly, I want to explain what is required in traffic light. This is component. This is our component: Arduino Uno, LED, breadboard, and register and jumper wire. I am here explain what is Arduino and what is LED. Arduino is the microcontroller. This is microcontroller based on the ATM 328P, which is one of most popular board. It has 14 pins, digital pins, and it has 6 analog pin, and it has 3 ground pin and 1 restart pin. What is LED? LED has 2 pins. First plus and second is negative. We are here used 3 LED bulbs that is red, green, and yellow. Red for stop and yellow for base and green for go. I would like to proceed.
A warm good morning to all of you. I am Puri Kumari from BCA PPU Batch. Here I am going to explain breadboard and functionality of traffic light. So basically, a breadboard is a reusable platform for building electronic circuit without soldering. In this project, it connects the Arduino board, LED, resistor, and jumper wires, allowing for easier configuration and troubleshooting of the traffic light system. So jumper wire are used for making connection between components, while resistor limit current flow to protect LED from damage. This is a jumper wire. It is a 3 kind of wire: male to female, and female to female, and male to male. Here is the traffic light functionality. Traffic light system operates on a predefined cycle, controlling the sequence of light: red, yellow, and green. The system ensures the safe flow of traffic by changing light at regular interval, providing clear signal for stopping, cautions, and going. The timing for each light can be programmed according to the required of traffic flow and safety protocols. That's all from my side. I would like to call Muskan for further explanation.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muskan and I am a student of PPU Batch 2 second year. So the next topic is circuit diagram. So circuit diagram is basically known as it is a component interconnected between each other to our project working. And it shows the LED. It shows the Arduino when the different jumper wire interconnection to each other with the help of breadboard. It is a circuit diagram. It basically used to the programming of the microcontroller and the programming logic and the flow. It is programming logic and flow. It is used to programming like the symbol use the programming of our microcontroller to set up the pin. It used to when the delay with the time of light is 5 seconds. So when the time is blue and how much the time. So I explain the program. There are the two setups, white setup and white loop. So white setup is basically known as the if the program is executed at once, and the white loop is used to the program execute at again and again, execute the program again and again. So there are the three functions like pin mode, digital write, and digital write. Pin mode is used to the declaring the output. Pin mode 789 is used to the declaring output of pin, and the digital write pin is used to the LEDs high or low, and relay pin is used to when how the light is low and when the time is. And last is the in loop section is used with the time of digital pin and how much the time it is glowing. So 5 seconds is glowing, the one of the light is glow one by one. So all about my programming section. It is glowing the light with the delay with the time of 5 seconds. The one by one light is glowing. Then first light glow is red and then yellow and green. The time limit is fixed.